Jeep Mechanics assemble. I've got a crank no start on my wife's 2000 Jeep Cherokee. I just flat towed this thing home. Luckily, she was only 5 minutes away. She lost power while driving. Now I've got no power to any of the gauges. And it won't read the OBD2. It's saying no communication with the ECU. I've got a different ECU plugged in right now with the same numbers. Same numbers. The letters shouldn't matter. That's just the software. Still no change. I checked the fuses over here because number 9 is what controls the instrument cluster. That was fine. Anyone else ever run into this problem? If so, what was it?